I'm sorry that I have not been consistent in filming lately. I've been very uninspired, to be honest, and I've just been like super busy trying to learn how to balance everything. We recently adopted a new kitten who's walking around right now. She might make a cameo later, but yeah, so I've just been super busy. I'm still going to be filming things for the channel. It just might not be as consistent as it used to be, but I hope that you guys will still stick around. If you do not, I understand. But let's go ahead and check out what's in the May Birchbox that I got. So this is the packaging for the May one. It's like yellow and it's like a bunch of like people on the front and stuff. Together We Are Unstoppable is on the box. And then it has some information about the founders and stuff like that. A bunch of women together on the front. So let's go ahead and see what's in it. I don't know if I showed you guys last time, but they started putting like tissue paper and stuff in it. So you have to like open it up and stuff. And they started putting like free gift things and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and see what's in here. I'm going to try and go through the list the way it's ordered. So the first thing in here is Beauty Protector, Protect and Volume. Full size is $23.50. Along with protecting hair from heat and sun damage, this styling spray amps up volume. Hold the bottle 6 to 8 inches away and spray on damp hair. Blow dry for best results. So I don't typically blow dry my hair, but I will blow dry it to try this out and do a review for you guys at some point. So I'm excited to try this. I'm curious what it smells like. It doesn't have too much of a smell. It has a little bit of one, but it's like a good smell, so it's not bad. The next thing in here is the Davines all-in-one milk. Full size is $34, and it says this nourishing leave-in treatment detangles while adding volume, shine, and heat protection. So that sounds like something I need because my hair has been getting tangled lately, and I do like to straighten it. So I will definitely be testing this out as a heat protector and like detangler and stuff. So I'm excited for that. Davines, I do like the things I've tried from them. So the next thing in here is the Dr. Lit Moisturizing Color Tint in Sweet Potato. The full size is $8.95, and it says this high shine tinted lip balm is just 4 natural ingredients to make your lips plump and smooth. Organic edible sweet potato pigments give it a flattering pink shade. Hopefully it doesn't taste like sweet potato because it uses that. I'm not a huge fan of those, but I will test it out and let you know what I think. It also, next to this, says female founded, so I think they're going with the theme this time and picking a few things that are founded by female people or female individual. I don't know. But anyways, I will test this out and let you know what I think. The next thing in here is, let's see, the Emberly's, I don't know if I'm saying that right, Late Cream Concentrate 24-hour Miracle Cream. The full size is $28. A makeup artist fave, this French-born cream heals dryness and preps skin for makeup. This multitasking must-have can be used as a moisturizer, primer, and a makeup remover. So that sounds really cool, and that sounds like something that I would like to try. So I'm looking over there. She's like on my bookcase right now. She hasn't been in here before. But yeah, this sounds cool to try. It's cool that it can be used for all of those. So I'm definitely going to test that one out and let you guys know. Next thing in here is the Marcel Extension Plus Skyline Mascara. The full size is $15. It says this clump-free mascara's ultra skinny brush helps curl and lift every last lash while adding length and definition for a wide-eyed appearance. So that sounds super nice. I have a bunch of mascaras that I need to get through, so I'm working on getting these all tested for you guys. Once I get to this, I will let you guys know. There's also a sticker in here that says Stronger Together. Here's the Ico Brow Liner in medium. It is also female founded. The full size is $20. And it says this waterproof brow definer fills in sparse spots, defines each hair to make arches appear naturally fuller. Apply short strokes from the start of your brow bone, and move outward. So I'm excited for this. I'm running out of brow products right now as far as like pencil or like marker kind of styles. So I've been wanting to get another one anyways. And it's cool that this is water resistant because I will probably be in the pool a lot this summer, so it'll be good to use this. The last things that are in here, I will start with the shampoo. It's the Davines All Shampoo, so it goes along with the all-in-one milk thing. The full size of this is $31. These are also bonus products, by the way. And it says, you'll love this ultra-hydrated paraben and sulfate-free shampoo that's great for all hair types. It boosts volume and shine, improves texture, and protects hair from UV rays. And then the conditioner is the same thing. Oops. Oops. She's just staring at me. She's like, what is wrong with you? Okay. This one is full size $38. The conditioner is packed with natural active ingredients like rosehip oil, which protects hair from UV rays and heat damage, and apricot butter, which adds softness. So this will be nice. Like I said, I do like these. I only tend to get like 3 uses out of these little packs because my hair is so long. But I do like to test them out just to kind of get an idea of whether I would like them. Currently I'm still using the Nexus shampoo and conditioner. I really enjoyed that, so I got the full size. Thinking about getting more, debating whether I want to try something else. So if I try something else, I'll do a review on it for you guys. If not, then next time I do something about hair, I'll let you know that I'm still using it. So anyway, that's all the stuff that I got. I'm probably the most excited for this one, just because I wanted some more brow stuff. Because I never used to do my brows, and now that I've started doing them, I really enjoy doing them. So yeah. Basically, I'm just really excited for that. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I would show you my new kitten, but she's all the way across the room doing her own thing. So maybe in another video I'll show you guys her. She's supposed to be Maine Coon mix, so she's really cute. Our new cats, or our old cats, are starting to get along with her better. They were a little upset at first, but they're starting to accept her. It's normal for cats. If you don't have cats, whenever you bring a new one in, they don't like it. But they eventually typically grow to be okay with it, or at least they're either okay with it or they like make friends. So we haven't had friend making yet, but we have had them be okay with her in the house. So I will update you guys on how that's going, and I will do reviews on all these things. If you guys are following my blog, then you will see them. If you're not following my blog, you should go do that. And I will see you guys later. Bye guys!